Hello friends, this is me Anjali and today you're most welcome here and this session going to be very rock because I am coming back to you guys for with a crucial problem, and it would be a very big problem for you and for youth. Actually, this would be a great level problem in future, and I would like to thanks guys to you here for coming here for listening me, because you will take a lots of thing by side me. And this is me, I earlier told many times, and why I am here like this. I want to aware like you guys for because somewhere I believe in myself that somewhere you face problems, you have problems, but you don't count that basic level things as a problem in your life, but you should consider that like you should solve at very basic levels, because in future that basic problems would be very big and huge and put hurdles in your way, and you have to cope up with that problems. You have to get rid of this type of problems here, and in this video you will get a lot of things by side me, because I would like to solve your problems. I want to make you see your problems at your basic level. So with this I want to start this session. So here is a crucial topic like stage fear for youth actually, and all kind of people here listening to me. You can consider yourself like, if you have this problem, you can consider yourself like you should solve your problem. And I would like to say here, what is stage fear? If you had stage fear, how, why you never try to cope up with that problem? Why you never try to get rid of that problem? Why? Because lack of information, having lack of information, you never try to solve that problems. I am here, I will make you aware that how to solve this problem, how to get rid of this basic level problem in your life. So, stage fear for youth. When you were in your school time, when your teachers, some at some functions like 26 January and 15 August and all that functions when were held in your school time, then you had never tried to participate in that kind of functions. Why? Because you had fear. Which type of fear? That is stage fear. So when your teachers, when your teacher wanted you to come on the stage and deliver your thinking and speech in English or in any language, because the teacher only want to express you in front of audience like your classmates and other teachers, other subjective teachers, and in front of principal also. He or she teacher wanted to wanted to put you in front of stage. Why? Because they also somewhere wanted to somewhere wanted to name fame and reputation by your side. So by expressing you, so because he used to believe in you like he or she girl and student is very fantastic, have talent and able to show their talent. So yeah, they wanted, but having stage fear, you never try to participate, you never delivered your speech, your thought in front of cameras, in front of stage in your schooling time. And slowly steadily this problem became at very great level. How? Because here when you come in college time, when you come in public spaces, when someone asks to you, please say some words in front of audience, so that audience will connect, you would have connect with us, and actually listen to us, and why we are here, and which type of things is going on here. But you never went there, and you never gave any type of clue that represents you that you have no fear actually, but you have fear in your body parts. You have fears. If you want to eradicate that fear, you have to put efforts to eradicate that, to remove that fear. So fear is something for to which you became afraid, to which you never want to go front, in front of before anybody, or in front of a stage like this. But if you have fear, you should remove this fear. And what makes you fear? What is stage fear? When you go on a stage, you never had you never had known that you would have fear like this. But stage fear is what, like when you go is on a stage, and you will see like many peoples, thousands of hundreds of peoples, hundreds of your classmates in front of you, and saying those people, you became afraid. Yeah, and audience and microphone, like mic, and your teachers, and VIP teachers, and all that, while saying that crowd, you became afraid, you became fearful, because it is a kind of fearness that you, when you see this, then you feel low, you became down for yourself. But there is no need of getting feared like this. You should know this, you should know the depth information about this. Because when you go stage, when you when you pick a mic in your hand, then when you speak in a mic, then your voice and your words voice has changed. When your words, when your voice has changed, then you came to know that yeah, when you then you came to know for your voice, like you feel strange your voice having words with mic actually. So this is a problem that you are facing today. While speaking in mic, you feel your voice is a stranger for yourself. It is a, by practicing and practicing in mic, you should always some functions you should speak in mic, you should observe yourself in front of mic, you should pick up mic and start speaking in mic, so that you will get a lot of things by by pick upping mic near your mouth. Then having words with mic, you will get you will reduce a little bit of fear, like a stage fear. So with this, so you should you should remove this. I also had fear when I was in class, when I was in class 9. Then I had given my first speech. I was not too much good in speech in earlier time, but because I was very much afraid, I had fear for being having fear. I never gave my best. But here today I have no fear. If you can say okay, okay, having words with me, then I will start start speaking in front of you, and all at in front of anybody I am able to speak right now, because I have practiced too much to achieve this type of confidence. So you by this you can also achieve this, you can also get this conquer, you can conquer on your fear, you can win your fear. And when I was in class 10, then I had also fear, but practicing more and more, I somewhere I had removed my fear, and by practicing. So then I used to, when I used to say it in mic, then I was feeling like, oh my god, my voice has changed. What to do now, what to do? I somewhere I became I became cautious to my voice. I became that my voice to for my voice, my voice somewhere is strange, became strange for me, this type of thoughts running inside my mind. But you should not think like this. When you speak in mic, then your voice has changed, loud voice, you can you hear loud voice, and this would be a stranger for yours, for you, and you need to solve this problem. Actually speak in mic as well as possible. If you do not have, then go any place where this microphone is selling. Then you can use a mic for a few seconds, for a few moments, and speak with that mic, and develop your confidence, boost your confidence like this. So when I so now I had lost, I have lost too much fear. That earlier there was much more inside me, but somewhere I have eradicated my fear from my body part, because this would be a kind of fear and problem, and relate, if it's a connection to your body part, you have to remove it actually from your body part. You have to eradicate this problem. There is a great need to understand at a very basic level. It will impact, it will give impact in your future time when you will become success. And becoming success in future, you know many more opportunities will come in your way, but having this type of fear, you will not be you will not be able to utilize those opportunities. Somewhere you will lose those unique opportunities, golden opportunities coming in your way. So for so do not what I can say, do not make this grow continuously. Stop making this a very big problem. Solve this problem at once as well as possible, because actually ultimately you are the only person that nobody is coming to you and eradicate your problem. Only you can eradicate, only you can remove this type of problem by practicing and practicing by words, and with mic also. So some in front of somebody, you can when some relatives come at your home, then you become shy. Why? I don't know why you become shy, because you never want to go in front of them, and never want to having words with them, because for you they are strength. But some relatives are not strengths for you, and like timely they coming at your home, but saying them, you became afraid, you feel low, and you're ready to escape to yourself from them. Why? If some strange person coming to your home, and go in front of them, and just like me, you can you can speak in front of them, and you can do having words with them, and know their problems, why they are coming to your home, and what they want to you and for your family actually. Because if there in future someone is absent, in absence of your family member, you can try this. This is a very basic formula you can try. If someone is coming to you, start speaking with them, because if you start speaking with them somewhere a little bit, and by little and little you will, you are removing your fear actually here. By doing this you can solve your a little bit problem like this. And why this problem is becoming very high level? Why? Because you are not solving this problem in your life. You actually do not want to achieve many more things in future. When you become when you will become success in your life, then many more opportunities you will use, as I earlier said. And there is no need of being fear with this type of. You have to remove your stage fear. And for removing this problem at a very huge level, you have to do practice and practice. And by practicing you can solve this problem. If you're, if you feel low in speaking, in having words with anybody, speak with them. If you are, if you are feeling low and your confidence became low in front of stage, so earlier when you earlier when you have practiced too much with mic, then coming on the stage you will become confident to yourself that I have earlier used mic. So, and I had earlier listen my voice loud, in a very loud sound, loud volume. So in coming on to stage, somewhere I became very powerful and inspiring and instance, and would be a great personality and good speaker and loud speaker, you having words with mic. So by using this formula you can solve your problem actually. And stress fear for youth actually, it would be a very big problem. So I had somewhere I had lost my fear, because I won my debate, my first debate. I won a speech. I won my all the speeches, and in my past schooling and my earlier schooling. And now I am very much confident, because I have practiced too much. And there is a great need to you guys to practice and having words with you. If someone is not presenting beside you, and left and right, then having words with yourself now, solve your problem. And in front of mirror you can solve this problem. A mirror here actually plays an important role solving stage fear, because when you are talking to yourself, then you came to know that I am not getting too much focused with my eye contact. Somewhere you will develop your eye contact with yourself. When you develop your eye contact with yourself, then you will you are losing your problem a little bit by facing yourself in front of camera and mirror and all that. And all, there are many more things by which you can solve your problem. But in this I have told you like how to solve this problem, and why it makes you, why it why this you have a problem like stage fear, and how to solve this problem. And by which formula you can a little bit you can solve this problem. So by side me here, myself Anjali, and you can solve this problem. And God bless you that you will conquer your then you will overcome on your fear. And that's all. And I will come with a next great level problem. So thank you for hearing me, having words with me. I'm stopping my language. Thank you so much. Bye bye.